I would say that value investing is the only real investing when it comes to putting your money away and getting more in the future. Value investing has a tradition that goes back decades. We're talking about well over 90 years of tradition, and it's worked and it's simple. With value investing, we find the things that we love, that we want to see in the world, and we buy them when they're on sale. As a young person, you have two obstacles in your way when it comes to investing. One of those obstacles is money, and I can't help you with that. You need to go get a job, you need to go sell some comic books or whatever you got going on to get your money up, all right, at least $500. The second obstacle is going to be knowledge, and that we can help you with at Rule 1. We can give you the knowledge to start investing right away. So Rule 1 sets up new investors for success by taking a very difficult subject and making it so simple that everyday people can learn how to invest step by step. It's one of the things about Rule 1 that first appealed to me, this really unattainable world of investing and knowledge in the stock market. I'm never going to figure this out. We grew up in an area that was very, very poor, and we did not know much about money. But where I went to school, I had some friends who knew a little bit about money, and they were always talking about investing and going to New York and the stock market, which sounded like a foreign language to me. It sounded like something I could never understand. And they would even laugh about it from time to time, like, oh, he'll never get it. And so I lost interest, if I'm being quite honest. But it wasn't until after I left the military and I kind of by luck stumbled on Phil's book in Rule 1, and I got to read a couple chapters. And in those two chapters, Phil really simplified the investing process, and he made it approachable so that everyday people can learn how to invest. Being a sales shopper means that when you go to the store to buy your new jacket or your new whatever you're going to buy, you don't go buying the thing right up the front. You go see what's on sale because you want to make sure you're getting a value for the price that you pay. And if you can learn that lesson when it comes to shopping, then you can apply that lesson when it comes to investing, right? Price is what you pay, but value is what you get. And we don't want to pay anything for these companies. We want to make sure we buy these companies when they're on sale. And so as a value investor, you only invest in companies when they're on sale. You don't pay any price for the company. If you can learn how to shop as a discount shopper, you can learn how to be a great value investor.
You should learn to use Rule 1 strategy to look at these companies you own. You should never own anything you, number 1, don't understand. Number 2, does not have intrinsic characteristics that protect it. Number 3, does not have management you trust and they're talented. And number 4, isn't on sale. Those 4 things. So if you look at what you own right now and you don't know what it is, or whether it has a moat, or what the management team is, or what it's worth, then you are this lost child in the woods. You are vulnerable to the financial services industry saying, thank you for your money, you moron.
What makes Rule 1 unique is that it's not like traditional value investing where we're just going to look out there and see if there are any companies trading for less than what their perceived value might be. At Rule 1, we go about it differently. We have a style of investing that's more values based, where if a company doesn't align with my personal values, then it doesn't get any of my personal money. And it's really just that simple, okay? So your values determine where you place your money. If you can't sleep at night knowing that your money is invested in a company that you don't know anything about, maybe that's not the right company for you. But if you're invested in a company that the leadership shares your values and you know this company is going to be here for the next 10 years and you want to see it here making a positive impact on the world, that's what we do here at Rule 1 Investing. Once you've been equipped with that knowledge and you've got some money, as a young person, when you get started early, then you can start compounding early. Albert Einstein said that compounding interest is the 8th wonder of the world. And so the sooner that you can start compounding your money at whatever percentage rate per year, the sooner you're going to get to your goal of being able to not having to work again.